Introduction. A new dawn in the digital age. The internet, once a realm of boundless possibility, has become increasingly complex and, at times, overwhelming. Amidst this digital deluge, a new force is emerging, one that promises to reshape the online landscape as we know it, Onpassive. This innovative company is leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, or AI, to create a more user-centric, efficient and accessible internet for all. Onpassive's arrival heralds a new dawn in the digital age, one where technology empowers rather than overburdens. By harnessing the immense potential of AI, Onpassive is poised to revolutionize the way we interact with the online world, making it a more intuitive, personalized and rewarding experience for everyone. This is not merely a technological shift, it's a paradigm shift. Onpassive is not simply building better tools, it's building a better internet, one that prioritizes the needs and aspirations of its users. The implications of this are profound, with the potential to touch every aspect of our lives, from the way we work and learn to the way we connect with each other and the world around us. As we delve deeper into the Onpassive Effect, we will explore the key technologies driving this revolution, examine its impact on everyday users, and consider the far-reaching implications for the future of the internet. Join us as we embark on this exciting journey into the heart of AI-powered innovation and witness the dawn of a new era in the digital age. Please don't yet subscribed. Please do so now. Thanks. The engine room unveiling Onpassive's technological prowess. At the heart of Onpassive's transformative power lies a sophisticated suite of AI-driven technologies, each meticulously designed to address specific challenges and enhance the online experience. These cutting-edge tools work in synergy, forming a robust ecosystem that powers Onpassive's innovative solutions. One of the cornerstones of Onpassive's technological prowess is its advanced machine learning algorithms. These algorithms are the brains behind Onpassive's intelligent automation capabilities, enabling its platform to analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and make intelligent decisions with minimal human intervention. Another key component is Onpassive's natural language processing engine, which allows its systems to understand and interpret human language with remarkable accuracy. This enables Onpassive to create more intuitive and conversational user interfaces, bridging the gap between humans and machines. Furthermore, Onpassive harnesses the power of deep learning, a subset of machine learning that excels at uncovering complex relationships within data. Deep learning enables Onpassive to develop highly accurate predictive models, powering features such as personalized recommendations and targeted advertising. These advanced technologies, combined with Onpassive's relentless commitment to innovation, form the bedrock of its revolutionary approach to the internet. A user-centric revolution, transforming the online experience. Onpassive's impact on the everyday internet user is nothing short of transformative. By placing the user at the center of its design philosophy, Onpassive is creating a more intuitive, personalized, and rewarding online experience for everyone. One of the most noticeable ways Onpassive is changing the game is by simplifying complex tasks. Through intelligent automation, Onpassive streamlines processes, reduces friction, and empowers users to accomplish more in less time. Whether it's finding information, completing online transactions, or managing their digital lives, Onpassive makes it easier than ever before. Moreover, Onpassive enhances the online experience through personalization. By leveraging its AI-powered insights, Onpassive tailors content, recommendations, and interactions to individual preferences, creating a more engaging and relevant user journey. Imagine a world where the internet anticipates your needs, curates content you'll love, and connects you with the information and resources that matter most to you. That's the power of Onpassive's user-centric approach. Furthermore, Onpassive is committed to making the internet more accessible to all. By breaking down barriers to entry and empowering users of all skill levels, Onpassive is fostering digital inclusion and creating opportunities for everyone to thrive in the digital age. This user-centric revolution is at the heart of the Onpassive Effect, transforming the online experience from one of passive consumption to active participation and empowerment. The future unfolds. Onpassive's vision for the Internet of Tomorrow. Onpassive's vision extends far beyond the present, encompassing a future where the internet is seamlessly integrated into the fabric of our lives, empowering us to achieve more than ever before. As Onpassive continues to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible with AI, the future of the internet looks brighter than ever. Imagine a world where your online experience is not confined to a screen, but seamlessly integrated into your physical surroundings. Onpassive envisions a future where the Internet of Things connects our devices, homes, and cities, creating a truly interconnected and intelligent ecosystem. In this future, AI-powered assistants will anticipate our needs, manage our schedules, and connect us with the information and resources we need when we need them. The internet will become an extension of our minds, augmenting our abilities and empowering us to live more fulfilling and productive lives. Onpassive's vision is not merely about technological advancement, it's about human progress. By harnessing the power of AI for good, Onpassive aims to create a future where technology empowers individuals, strengthens communities, and solves some of the world's most pressing challenges. This is the promise of the Onpassive Effect, a future where the internet becomes a force for positive change, driving us toward a brighter and more equitable tomorrow. Section 5. The democratization of AI empowering businesses of all sizes. One of the most significant implications of the Onpassive Effect is the democratization of AI. Traditionally, the power of AI has been concentrated in the hands of a select few tech giants. Onpassive is changing that by making AI accessible and affordable for businesses of all sizes. Onpassive's suite of AI-powered tools empowers businesses to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and gain a competitive edge, regardless of their size or industry. From small startups to large enterprises, Onpassive provides the tools and resources needed to harness the power of AI and thrive in the digital age. This democratization of AI has the potential to level the playing field, allowing smaller businesses to compete with larger ones on a more equal footing. By empowering businesses of all sizes with AI capabilities, Onpassive is fostering innovation, driving economic growth, and creating a more inclusive digital landscape. The Onpassive Effect is not just about transforming the internet for individual users. It's about empowering businesses to achieve more, innovate faster, and create a better future for everyone. Section 6. A global paradigm shift. Onpassive's impact on the world stage. The Onpassive Effect is not confined to a single region or industry. Its impact is being felt on a global scale, transforming the way we work, live, and interact with the world around us. In developing countries, Onpassive's technology is bridging the digital divide, providing access to information and opportunities that were previously out of reach. By empowering individuals and communities with the tools and resources they need to succeed, Onpassive is fostering economic growth, improving healthcare outcomes, and transforming lives. In developed nations, Onpassive is driving innovation across industries, from finance and healthcare to education and entertainment. By automating tasks, improving efficiency, and unlocking new possibilities, Onpassive is helping businesses and organizations of all types adapt to the rapidly evolving digital landscape. The Onpassive Effect is a testament to the transformative power of technology and its ability to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. As Onpassive continues to grow and expand its reach, its impact on the world stage will only continue to amplify, shaping a future where technology serves humanity and empowers us to create a better world for all. Section 7. Navigating the ethical landscape. Responsible AI at the forefront. As with any transformative technology, the rise of AI brings with it important ethical considerations. Onpassive recognizes this and is committed to developing and deploying AI responsibly, ensuring that its technology is used for good and benefits all of humanity. Onpassive's ethical framework is guided by principles of fairness, transparency, and accountability. The company is committed to developing AI systems that are free from bias, explainable in their decision-making processes, and accountable for their actions. Furthermore, Onpassive recognizes the importance of data privacy and security. The company employs robust security measures to protect user data and is committed to using data responsibly and ethically. Onpassive's focus on ethical AI is not merely a matter of compliance, it's a fundamental part of its mission to create a better internet for everyone. By prioritizing ethical considerations in every aspect of its operations, Onpassive is setting a new standard for the responsible development and deployment of AI, ensuring that its technology is used to empower, not exploit, and to create a more just and equitable world for all. Section 8. The power of collaboration, forging a brighter future together. Onpassive recognizes that the true potential of AI can only be unlocked through collaboration. The company is committed to working with partners, developers, and the wider tech community to foster innovation, share knowledge, and build a better future together. Onpassive's open platform allows developers to create and integrate their own AI-powered applications, extending the reach and capabilities of its technology. By fostering a collaborative ecosystem, Onpassive is accelerating the pace of innovation and empowering others to contribute to the development of a more intelligent and interconnected world. Moreover, Onpassive actively engages with thought leaders, policymakers, and industry experts to shape the future of AI and ensure that its development aligns with human values. By working together, we can harness the power of AI to address global challenges, create new opportunities, and build a brighter future for all. Onpassive's commitment to collaboration is a testament to its belief in the power of collective intelligence and its vision of a future where technology serves as a unifying force, bringing people together to solve problems and create a better world. Section 9. Onpassive's legacy, a testament to innovation and progress. Onpassive's journey is still unfolding, but its impact is already undeniable. The company is rapidly establishing itself as a leader in the AI revolution, paving the way for a more user-centric, efficient, and accessible internet for all. Onpassive's legacy will be one of innovation, progress, and a deep commitment to leveraging technology for the betterment of humanity. By empowering individuals, businesses, and communities with the power of AI, Onpassive is shaping a future where technology serves as a force for good, driving us toward a more equitable and prosperous world. As Onpassive continues to grow and evolve, its impact will only continue to amplify, inspiring others to embrace the power of AI and join the movement toward a brighter and more connected future. The Onpassive Effect is more than just a technological shift. It's a cultural shift, a call to action to embrace the possibilities of the digital age and work together to create a future worthy of our shared aspirations. Section 10. Conclusion. Embracing the Onpassive Effect. The Onpassive Effect is more than just a buzzword, it's a powerful force shaping the future of the internet and beyond. By harnessing the power of AI, Onpassive is creating a more user-centric, efficient, and accessible online experience, empowering individuals, businesses, and communities around the world. As we've explored, the Onpassive Effect is characterized by its focus on user empowerment, its commitment to ethical AI development, and its belief in the power of collaboration. By embracing these principles, Onpassive is not just building a better internet, it's building a better future for all. The Onpassive Effect is a call to action, an invitation to join a movement that recognizes the transformative potential of technology and its ability to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. By embracing the Onpassive Effect, we can create a future where technology serves humanity, empowers individuals, and creates a more just and equitable world for all. For more information about Onpassive and how to market while on the internet, please go to the description below. Thank you, and I hope you have a wonderful day.